In this video, I'm going to show you how to get QR code on Trust Wallet. Open your Trust Wallet. If you love to see the QR code option where you can be able to send your friends, your family cryptocurrency, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Click on this. You can see the QR code, right? So if you click on it, you're going to be able to scan through another person's QR code so as you can be able to send the person cryptocurrency, right? So I want to show you what I mean by that. So if I open up my BNB now, if you love to see your own QR code, if you click on that receive now, you're going to be able to see your wallet address, right? It's your own code, but I don't want to do that because I don't want to disclose some privacy stuffs here, right? So for educational purpose only, so that is how you can do that. If you want to get yours, click on this receive, your own is going to come out, right? So other people can scan through and send you crypto if they want to do that, right? So make sure you do everything well enough. So this is how you can do this. If you found this video, I will share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.